Do you want to have a neat and professional drop-down and organization for the menu in your Shopify store? Yes? So please follow this video and I will show you step by step to get it done. Hi there, I'm Morgan. I'm a Shopify expert and partner since 2015. I have designed more than 5,000 websites over the past 10 years, and I'm actually handling more than 20 brands in Australia. I'm here to help you grow and manage your Shopify store. Okay, let's head to our dashboard, and now we're gonna create this drop-down menu. So let me clear all my tabs. And then we're gonna preview the store. So at the moment we already have a sample menu. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna try to create a drop-down for products, and we're gonna have all the products here. And then I will create a drop-down for about with the page shipping. So let's head to content, menu, and we are working, this one is the main menu. All right, so this is what we have. I want to add the product into a drop-down under product. So I will go and select my product. One, and then I will take it and I can drag it down under. Then I will add more. Another one. And another one. Uh, if you think the title is too long, you can always change it. So I will just keep hydrating serum, foaming cleanser, and moisturizing cream. Up, and then I will save. Now let's check it out. I'm gonna reload the page and see now we have a sample drop down. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna create one for this one just to make sure you understand how to do it. So we have about and contact, and so we're gonna label it info. And in this info, I do not want to have any links, so I will just type and have this. And in this info dropdown, I want to have the about, the contact. So I'm dragging, yeah? And in here, I could add another page, the shipping one, delivery and returns. And now we save. And then if I go back to my navigation, you will have the drop down with about, contact, and delivery. You can also have menu inside the menu. So I could also have info drop down and about drop down with contact inside, and maybe I could add your privacy choice. So we have two and save it. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks. Let's reload the page. And if you see, we have another drop down created here for the contact. In this one, I'm using a custom theme, but in any theme is the same way. We always have to go to the content and menu to create the menu. This one is the main menu, but we have the footer menu too. And if you want to make sure you're using the main menu in your theme, you need to go to your theme. Let's open down theme 2. And then if I go to my editor, I will go to the header in here, and then I will check which menu I have. The main menu is the main menu, and I can change it if I need. If I go to the custom, to the down theme, I go to header and see the main menu in here. You can replace it if you want to. And voila! Thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you would like to support me, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in another video.